Hello, and welcome to the Infinite Skills course on developing Android applications. My name is Don Cowan, and I'll be your instructor. I have to tell you, I'm really excited about doing this course. Android and mobile in general are really taking off, as I'm sure you already know. Smartphones and tablets now make up 70% of all computing devices sold. This is well over 1 billion devices sold each year. PCs are running at a rate of only about 350 million devices sold per year. The Android share of the mobile market is now in the range of 75%. It's the dominant mobile software platform. And Android development jobs are growing rapidly. There are shortages in many areas. I get at least one recruiter contact each and every day. Now, before we get started, a few housekeeping items. Google requires placing notices about reproducing their work on graphics, depicting their web pages and logo. You see these notices here, down in the lower left. You'll see them appear where appropriate throughout this course. The first is this notice about reproducing the Android robot shown here. You can see all the details of their branding requirements by following this link on the right-hand side. As you can see, I've modified the Android robot by adding a laptop and a smartphone. Google doesn't mind you doing these modifications. Remember, though, you need to include the notice whether or not you've made the modifications. In addition to the Android robot, I've included on this graphic an excerpt from the Android developer's website. It's in this area here. And we'll be examining many pages from this website during the course. You can follow this link under Google Legal Notices to see the Google site policies. On the second notice, down here, you'll find a link to the legal notices for Android, covering the Android brands and other services such as Google Play, Google Maps, and so forth. It's important that you understand these notices, especially if you're going to create any products of your own that use Google websites or the Android robot. I've worked to make the course as interesting and understandable as possible. The Android system is fairly complex. We'll work through it all together. I'd really like to hear from you if you have comments, questions, or just to say hi. My email is donkcowan@gmail.com. I have a website at donkcowan.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at donkcowan. In the course of these lessons, we'll be using a combination of websites, development tools, code, and graphics. The websites, such as Android and Google Play, you'll access directly over the Internet. The development tools, such as the software platform and Google sample apps, you'll download to your computer via the website and download files. The graphics are contained in a PowerPoint presentation. I've titled the individual slides, such as the one you're looking at now. So, for example, the title of this slide is Course Resources. Again, welcome to the course and the exciting world of Android.